How to add tags in Studypool. Follow the instructions. Log into your Studypool account. Click on Post a question or go to the Cell Documents section. Choose the subject of your question or the category for your document. Type your question or upload your document file. Fill in the title or name of your document. Add a clear and specific description if needed. Scroll to the section labeled Tags. Click inside the Tags input box. Type a keyword related to your question or document. Press Enter or comma to confirm the tag. Add more tags that describe the topic clearly. Use words like the subject, course name, or school. Avoid adding too many unrelated tags. Submit your question or document when everything is filled out. Thank you for watching.